Today's topic is occupation. Let's learn about different jobs people do. Postman. A postman delivers letters and packages to our homes. They ride bikes or drive vans to bring us happy messages. Doctor. A doctor helps us feel better when we are sick. They use tools like a stethoscope to check our health. Policeman. A policeman keeps us safe and catches bad people. They also helps us follow the rules in our community. Teacher. A teacher helps us learn new things at school. They teach us to read, write, and solve puzzles. Soldier. A soldier protects our country and keep it safe. They are brave and work hard to defend us from danger. Fisherman. A fisherman catches fish from rivers, lakes, or the sea. They use boats, nets, and fishing rods to do their job. Farmer. A farmer grows fruits, vegetables, and grains for us to eat. They take care of animals and work on the fields every day. Chef. A chef cooks tasty foods in restaurants or hotels. They use different ingredients to make yummy dishes. Fireman. A fireman puts out fires and helps people in emergencies. They wear special suits to stay safe while working. Pilot. A pilot flies airplanes in the sky. They help us travel long distance quickly and safely. Lawyer. A lawyer helps solve problems and fights for justice in court. They explain the rules and make sure everyone is treated fairly. Plumber. A plumber fixes pipes, taps, and water systems in our homes. They make sure water flows smoothly for drinking and washing. Nice learning with you today, our little flowering buds kids. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye bye.